There's an open hallway running straight through the middle of this house. No walls, no doors, just 16 feet of covered outdoor space connecting two separate living wings. It's called a Dogtrot, and that open breezeway costs $12 per square foot to build, while the enclosed space around it costs $110. I just broke down a real 2,400 square foot Dogtrot Barndominium that came in at $242,000 complete. Today, I'm showing you where every dollar went and why that breezeway is the smartest $7,680 you'll spend on your entire build. If you've never heard of a Dogtrot, the next 8 minutes will change how you think about floor plans. A Dogtrot is a covered, open-air passageway separating two living areas under one roof. The design dates back to the 19th century across the southeastern United States. Picture this: two separate cabins, 12 to 20 feet apart, connected by a shared roof overhead with nothing but open air between them. The purpose was survival before air conditioning existed. You put your kitchen and heat-generating spaces in one wing, sleeping and living spaces in the other wing. The open breezeway pulled air through both sides, keeping everything 10 to 15 degrees cooler in southern summers. Fast forward 200 years, we have AC now, but the Dogtrot design solves modern problems the old builders never imagined. Separate guest quarters without building a separate structure, home office with its own entrance, parents and adult children under one roof with actual privacy, and an outdoor living space you use every single day because it's already part of your home's circulation. Today's Dogtrot Barndominium takes that historical design and executes it with steel, modern materials, and 2026 building science. Here's exactly what it costs. For this breakdown, we're building a 2,400 square foot Dogtrot Barndominium. Building footprint, 40 feet wide by 60 feet deep. Layout, West Wing, 960 square feet, main living, kitchen, dining, great room, half bath. Breezeway, 16 feet wide by 40 feet deep, equals 640 square feet of covered outdoor space. East Wing, 800 square feet, private, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, laundry. Total enclosed, climate-controlled space, 1,760 square feet. Total covered space under roof, 2,400 square feet. The breezeway runs the full depth of the house, 40 feet, with openings at both front and back, natural cross-ventilation, light from both directions, and it becomes your main circulation path between the two wings. You don't walk through your house, you walk through your covered outdoor living room to get from the kitchen to the bedrooms. That's the concept. Now here's what it costs to build. Foundation. Concrete slab, 2,400 square feet total footprint. Perimeter beam foundation supporting the exterior walls and breezeway columns. Cost, $8 to $12 per square foot installed. For 2,400 square feet, $19,200 to $28,800. Budget estimate, $24,000. Steel structure. The steel frame carries the entire roof, enclosed wings and open breezeway as one continuous structure. Modern Dogtrot-style barndominiums run about $30 to $40 per square foot for basic structure. For 2,400 square feet of steel framing and metal roofing, $72,000 to $96,000. Budget estimate, $84,000. The breezeway structural cost within that total. 640 square feet of breezeway requires steel columns supporting the roof span, 4 to 6 columns depending on engineering. The breezeway roof structure costs the same $35 per square foot as the rest of the building because it's all one continuous frame. 640 square feet times $35 per square foot equals $22,400 for breezeway structure. But here's the key. You're getting 640 square feet of covered, usable space for structural cost only. No insulation, no drywall, no HVAC. Spray foam insulation. 1,760 square feet of enclosed space gets closed-cell spray foam, walls and ceiling. Essential for barndominium thermal performance. Cost, $6 to $8 per square foot installed. For 1,760 square feet, $10,560 to $14,080. Budget estimate, $12,000. Note, the Breezeway gets zero insulation. It's open air. That's $5,120 you don't spend on those 640 square feet. Windows and doors. Main entry doors both wings, $2,400. Interior doors, bedrooms, bathrooms, $1,800. Windows, 12 to 16 units, $8,000 to $12,000. Budget estimate, $12,000. Exterior finishing, enclosed wings only. Siding or board and batten on the exterior walls of both wings. Breezeway columns get minimal finish. For 1,760 square feet of enclosed walls, $8,000 to $12,000. Budget estimate, $10,000. Drywall and interior walls. 1,760 square feet of enclosed space, walls and ceiling. Cost, $3 to $5 per square foot installed and finished. For 1,760 square feet, $5,280 to $8,800. Budget estimate, $7,000. The Breezeway has no interior walls, open structure. That's $1,920 saved on drywall alone. Flooring. Enclosed wings, 1,760 square feet, luxury vinyl plank or polished concrete. Cost, $6 to $10 per square foot installed. Budget estimate, $14,000. Breezeway, 640 square feet, stained and sealed concrete slab. Cost, $4 to $6 per square foot. Budget estimate, $3,200. Paint and trim, enclosed space only. Breezeway has exposed structure or minimal finish. Budget estimate, $4,800. Kitchen, one full kitchen in the main living wing. Standard finishes, stock cabinets, laminate counters, standard appliances. Budget estimate, $22,000. Bathrooms, 2 full baths in the bedroom wing, 1 half bath in the main wing. Cost per bathroom, $6,000 to $10,000 each depending on finishes. Budget estimate, $24,000 total, 3 bathrooms. HVAC. This is where the Dogtrot saves serious money. You're only climate controlling 1,760 square feet, not 2,400. 2 separate HVAC units, 1 per wing, allows independent temperature control. Cost per unit installed, $6,000 to $8,000, budget estimate, $14,000. You're not cooling or heating the Breezeway. That's $5,760 saved compared to conditioning that same 640 square feet. Plumbing, bathroom and kitchen rough in and finish, septic or sewer connection. Budget estimate, $12,000. Electrical, complete electrical throughout enclosed wings. Basic lighting in Breezeway only. Budget estimate, $10,000. Running total, $253,000. Base Breezeway cost so far. Structure, $22,400 included in the shell. Concrete floor stained, $3,200. Total Breezeway base, $25,600 or $40 per square foot. Optional Breezeway upgrades. Ceiling fans, 3 units, $1,500. Ambient lighting, string lights, recessed, $1,200. Outdoor fireplace, $6,000. Retractable screens for bugs, $3,000. Sliding barn doors to enclose, $4,000. If you add all upgrades, $15,700 additional. Breezeway with upgrades, $41,300 or $65 per square foot. Still dramatically less than finishing it as enclosed space at $110 per square foot. Site work, permits, miscellaneous, $11,000. Base Dogtrot Barndominium, 2,400 square feet total. Foundation, $24,000. Steel structure and roof, $84,000. Insulation, enclosed only, $12,000. Windows and doors, $12,000. Exterior finish, $10,000. Drywall, $7,000. Flooring, $17,200. Paint, $4,800. Kitchen, $22,000. Bathrooms, $24,000. HVAC, $14,000. Plumbing, $12,000. Electrical, $10,000. Base Breezeway finish, $3,200. Site work and permits, $11,000. Total, $267,200 complete. Cost per total square foot, $111. Cost per enclosed square foot, $152. But you're getting 640 square feet of covered outdoor living space that costs $40 per square foot instead of $152.
That breezeway, the defining architectural feature of the entire home, adds only $25,600 to your build while giving you separation, outdoor living, and architectural character no traditional floor plan can match. 2,400 square feet, 2 separate living wings, 640 square feet of covered breezeway connecting them, $267,200, complete in 2026. The open breezeway costs less than half what enclosing it would cost, and it becomes the space you use most. Drop your state and your planned square footage in the comments. I'll tell you if a Dogtrot makes sense for your climate. Subscribe for more honest barndominium breakdowns with real numbers. See you in the next one.